Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to change your background wallpaper in Windows 11. There are two ways to do it. First way is to use your own photos that you took with your smartphone or camera. And another way, the second way to do it is to get a wallpaper from the internet. So we'll go ahead and do the first method, and I'll show you how to do that. You have to navigate to File Explorer and go to Start menu and go to File Explorer right here. If you don't see yours here, you can just type Explorer. It'll come up. Just click that. Now for me, I have them in my pictures folder. So I have here 3 photos that we're gonna test out. So if yours doesn't show up like this, you could just click on the file and it'll open up like so. Just so you know, that's the picture you want to use. You can close it out. I'm gonna right click on that file and say set as desktop background. Click that, and then as you can see, there's my custom wallpaper. Okay, now we're going to go back to the pictures folder and File Explorer. And let's try the one with the beach. I'm going to right click on it. Set as desktop background. And there it is. Okay, and let's do that third photo. So if you click on it and it opens, so you can see the full screen version of it. You can also right click there on the photo itself, like so. And then here you see set as, and you can say background. If you click there, close this out and minimize this, there's the wallpaper. So either way, if you click on the photo and it opens it, you can right click and say set as background. That's one option, and then the other option is to just right click on the file itself and set as desktop background. Okay, so that's the first way to do it. Now for you, if you have your photos in another location, such as a downloads folder or documents folder, or maybe a folder on your desktop, that's fine too. You just navigate and browse wherever you're keeping your photos, and it's the same way. Now I'll make another video for you showing how to unload photos from your smartphone or camera onto the computer. But for now, we're just going to use what we have here. So to show you the second method on the internet, we're going to open up a web browser here. I'll use Firefox, and we're going to go to google.com, and I'm going to look up nature wallpapers. Hit enter, and then you're going to go to where it says images. Click there, and you're going to see all these beautiful wallpaper options come up. So let's say, for example, I want to use this one up here. Just click on it, and Google's going to show you like a bigger preview. So you can right click on that, and then you're going to have set image as desktop background. Now I'm getting this option with Firefox web browser, but if you're using Google Chrome or if you're using Microsoft Edge, it should have a similar option to set the image as a desktop background. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then it kind of gives you a little preview of how it's going to look. And you can position it here. Don't worry about it. I usually keep it centered. If you see that anything looks off, you can go and choose another option here for the position. So there's like stretch, there's center, fill, or fit. I think I'll do fill, and then set desktop background. Click there, and now if we minimize the web browser, There's our wallpaper. So it'll stay like that up until you change it again. Otherwise, that's pretty much how you do it. So let's try one more. Let's do this one here. So if we right click on it and say set image as background, and there's a preview again, and just say set, and then minimize, and there's our background. So find one that looks good for you, and then just follow these steps and you should be all set.